So hopefully this is recording. So I'm in a Windows 10 machine, and I downloaded Ubuntu and installed it into my Windows 10 machine, as you can do with Windows 10 now. So I'm just going to look at my directory, and I'm going to create a new one. Test directory for and I'm going to hit Tab to auto-complete my selection. And then, as you can see, I don't have anything in here except for the current directory, the directory above it, and this total that appears here. So a hard link is a link to the inode, which the inode is all the metadata to a file. A soft link is essentially a shortcut to that file. So similar to on Windows, when you create something on your desktop, that's similar to what is happening here. It's not similar in that it replicates all the things that happen in the hard link file. So let's go ahead and create a file, and maybe this will make more sense. So we'll just echo something out. And we'll echo this out to test. So there's test. Now I'll create a soft link to that file. So we'll use the link command. Use -f to say that you're going to create a symbolic link. And then what you want to do then is have the actual file you want to link to, and then the name of the file that will be the soft link. And then if I do this fancy list command, you can see that now I have a soft link that is pointing to the hard link of test. And the actual inode that I referenced earlier that holds the metadata about the file is right here. And you can see this has a different inode because it's not pointing to the file, it's pointing to the name, of the file itself. It's essentially a hyperlink to it. So continuing on, if we change something in the test file, and I'll just append it, I can cat out the test, and you can see that has appended successfully. And then if I cat out the soft link, and I just hit Tab to autocomplete that, you can see that also has the same text that just got appended to it. Now, why would you ever want to do this? Well, if you had some type of file in your file system that you couldn't move for some reason, say you wanted to upload it to Dropbox and you had a folder there that was dedicated just to Dropbox, but you couldn't move the folder because it was part of some project. If you moved it, it would break the entire project. So what you would want to do then is essentially create a soft link for the entire directory, and then anything inside that directory got changed, the soft link would reference, and then Dropbox could see it because the soft link has pretty much a copy of all the files that are in the hard link directory, and then Dropbox can upload everything. So let's try making a directory and then changing something there and see if it happens the same way as you would change a file here. So I'll make a new directory. I'll change this. I'll go into that directory. Then what I want to do is create a soft link to the directory I just made. And so here is the thing that I want to replicate. So this would be and I just hit Tab to autocomplete that. I don't think I need that last slash there. And then I want the link of the soft link that I want to create. So this would just be so if I do this, you can see I've created a new directory here called softdir, and that actually links to the hard directory. So I can actually cd into that, and then that has all the files that my previous one had. So now if I were to go back into this directory that the soft link is referencing, then what I can do is like add another file here, and we can go back. Oh, my bad. And then we can go back and we can go into this soft link directory, and then if I list everything out, you can see here's our another file. So that's why you would want to use a soft link in Unix or Linux.